When it comes to investing in precious metals, many of us tend to imagine large gold bars. And while those gold bars do exist, there are many other options to choose from in order to diversify your portfolio. Gold coins are one of those options, and they have always piqued the interest of not only investors but also collectors. Here at Allegiance Gold, we can supply you with many gold coin options, with one of the most popular being the Gold American Eagle. This coin is great for any investor and collector. Alongside the Gold American Eagle, we also have the Liberty coin and the Indian Head Gold coin. All three of these are great options for anyone looking to diversify and collect interesting and valuable coins. To learn more about these coins, visit our blog that's linked in the description down below. And to see how you can start adding these beautiful gold coins to your account, make sure to call Allegiance Gold today. For more information, call us today at 844-790-9191. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information on gold coins like these.